and we put across our memorandum regarding all the pointers. I will not repeat the pointers, but our main concern for all parents is because exams are getting over on 28th of March, and then schools are directly reopening on the 1st of April, which is a great concern because children are not going to get a break. Am I correct, parent? That's our main concern. So this is our main issue. Apart from that, she has said that she will look into it. She will discuss with the committee. They are already in discussion because since we went to the director, we've gone to the CM, we're putting this forward. Another clarity that she's clarified with us is the 9th standard exams. The main thing is now everyone was studying as 9th standard board exam, thinking they have the answer 9th is the main board. She's clarified that 9th is not the main board's exam, but the papers are set by board and the teachers of the school will correct it. So your main exam for 25 to 26 will be 10th standard and 12th standard. Am I correct? Yes. 10th standard and 12th standard. So parents whose children are going for the 10th. Alright, so please do not stop all the extracurricular activities thinking that it's a board exam. The papers are set by the board, but it will be corrected by your class teachers. Alright, the next thing that we spoke about is mentioning that it is important that we as parents have come here today not because we are against NEP, because the notion that's going to all the department heads that we are against NEP. We are not against NEP, we are for it, but how it's being implemented. We've realized talking to the director of SCRT who handles still the 8th standard that the clarification from the top level, by the time it comes to the teachers and comes to the parents, it's like a Chinese whisper. We get totally distorted messages which are not very clear, and this is why we have come. And one thing about her is she said that anytime parents have any queries, we can go and, but also she will make sure that she's clarifying certain pointers that we have raised. Can you tell about the language pointer that she has put forward?
So one of our major concerns is that going ahead, children may not be allowed to opt for foreign languages. This is a matter under consideration apparently already, and she will be issuing a clarificatory circular to this effect. Concerned authorities will issue clarification.
To make it more clear what advocate has said, that in the circular it said from those students who are in the 8th standard moving ahead will continue it. But what about those students from 7th standards who are going into 8th standards? There, that circular will be clarified a little, saying that they will have the options of the foreign languages also. But from 6th standard onwards, whatever it is being followed will be the same. There won't be foreign languages that will be introduced at that, because right now at Goa board level, we have not yet introduced that. Hopefully in the near future, like how the CBSE and the other boards, they have right from 6th standard onwards foreign languages for the children. But right now for Goa board, it's from 8th standard above. She said she'll clarify that and she'll put that. So our humble request is all parents are gathered from North Goa and South Goa collectively that we are in favor of NEP, but please do consider to have the schools either postpone, give them 2 weeks of break, or please give them the whole of April month, thinking that because it's going to be very humid. We've already got circulars saying that there's going to be a very extremely heat wave that's going to be in April and May. And I think so our children should be more into extracurricular activities like learning a new skill base, because apparently there's new NEPs for the 6th standard that's going to be introduced. What about the 7th and 8th? We asked her, because those are no new books. They're trying to do some activity based kind of things that she said, but that is also not very clear to us, if I'm correct, to the 7th and the 8th standard. So keeping in mind that, we are hoping that they will look into it, and hopefully the parents who have all come here together, we are not here to protest, we are just concerned parents who have come forward for the same.
Has she given any timelines to come back to us?
She said shortly. Shortly is what she has said, but she has to call for a collective meeting, and then accordingly she will let us know. But then we will do our next step, what as parents have to do, so we can put that forward.
She said anything about the textbooks?
So when we inquired about the textbooks, she said that 6 textbooks are already ready, but they are going to be set up into different distribution centers. So whether it's all Tiswadi will be one center, Bardez will be one center, the books are apparently being sent, but they will inform each centers as to when they can go and collect it. It's really going to happen.
The books are ready.
She said books are ready, but according to what the director said, that Director of Education said e-books will be there. That's what startled us all. But to her clarification,